Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, the Xanadu Chronicles. I'm Frank and it's time for another episode of Awesome Tip Tuesday. Use antique rugs instead of generic bath mats in your bathrooms. Antique rugs work for any design style, from super contemporary to traditionalist and everything in between. Even if you are a minimalist, there is no reason everything needs to be devoid of color or pattern. Antique rugs have been around for a hot minute and are hard wearing, so don't worry that you'll mess them up. With proper care, they'll last longer than any bath mat you will find. While we're on that note, antique rugs don't need to be relegated to just floors. They are textiles, so why not drape them over headboards, tables, sideboards, or consoles? Drape them over the back of your couch for instant pattern and patina. Hey, don't stop there. Hang them on a wall as art or as a backdrop to art. Or have the most fancy schmancy picnic blanket in the neighborhood. Whatever you decide, why not spice up your space by using a design staple in an unexpected way? If you haven't seen our previous videos, click on the links and watch away. Please share, like, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. We'll do our best to keep you entertained and coming back for more. Bye for now.